So today I am in the Element, TSX over there. I'm going to be replacing the cabin air filter since, you know, parts are getting here late and stuff. So you don't really need any tools. You can just use your finger and push these little things in. Well, it'd be helpful to have both of your hands, but they pop off really easily. Okay, kind of not showing how easy it is to do. I do have a screwdriver, but I'm not going to need it, as you can see. Pop this one off. Oops. You just got to push back up, pull it out, and then once you get the other one, see, once you push it, it'll like pop out right here, and then you can get some room. Then you got to push the thing back in, and it'll basically just fall right out, and then you can just wiggle it out of place, and then you got the room that you need, and everything just fell. To get to the cabin air filter, just up here, and I'll show you that in a little bit. Alright, so now getting into here, you'll see this little box that's on top of the thing. That's what you want to take out. So it's got these two little, well, more of one little pin. You kind of just push on it and this thing comes out. Then you reach in there and you should be able to wiggle the little cartridge out. There we go. It's got this little thing there to help you pull it out. And there it is. Oh, wow. Hold on, let me... Okay, there it is. So as you can see, it's pretty dirty. Some of you, you know, be like, okay, not too bad to clean it and stuff. I just went ahead and got the part. This is the part number, for those of you wondering. Came with two, so it most likely has two. I don't feel the other one. Why did it come with two then? Well, it came with two. I don't know if it needs two. Does it have the other one somewhere else? Give me a second. I found the other one. So, it does have two. You just kind of slide the other one out, and voila! This one's actually not as bad as the other one. Ah! Okay, so now you gotta remember that this one goes in second. Oops. Sorry if the orientation is off. Oh, it's locked. Okay, so this one's actually, never mind, it's just as bad. So, it should come in a pack of two then, and that's how you know whether or not it has two. So the only way you can go wrong is by putting this upside down, but as you can see, the arrows point down, which means this is down towards these things. So that's the only thing that you guys can probably mess up with this, so you don't really need any tools. And if it doesn't have any pointers, which it should, I haven't encountered any. So you guys can see the little arrow, that is down. And it even tells you right here, this is down. So this is the second one. I'm gonna go ahead and put that one in first. So you just kind of plop it in place, go back to your little box, wiggle it in there, because this thing's in the way. I can't see a dang thing. Okay. Okay. And there we go. So it's kind of a pain to get it in there. Once you get it in there, you slide it to the very right. You guys can see that a little bit better. Slide it in and out. And you can get your second one. It doesn't really matter which filter goes where, because they're both the same size and shape. It just matters that this goes down, like that. And then you go ahead and wiggle that one in place. And if you mix them up, you can't really put the second one in first because of the little slider thingy. So there's that. Then you grab the black little plastic piece, which is down right here, and that covers it up. So this goes this way. See that a little bit? So it goes into there, and then it just boop, clicks, and then you're done. You can basically just put these back on. So you gotta be up high enough to get it in there, but you guys can just wiggle that up and around. Oop. And then it clicks into place. Once you got one, the other one will be easier, because then you don't have to use your leg to lift this up. So I'm using my leg because one of my hands is occupied on the camera, but you can use both of your hands. basically once you got those both put back in, you can close this. Don't worry about it. They do sell scented cabin air filters that basically every time you turn on the AC, it'd be like scented, or they have like deodors or whatever you want to do to those. But basically this is the air coming from outside of the car, kind of like right there on the front of the hood. It just comes down and in to the cabin, keeping the cabin, you know, well, I mean, when you push this button, that kind of turns that off. But anyway, when you're getting, it just basically filters the air coming into the car, is what I'm trying to say. I don't know why I'm getting so confused. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like that, simple, easy things that you can do to improve your car, let me know. Oh dang, these are like stiff too. Good thing I changed them. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. More videos on that thing. I already switched the cabin air filters. If you guys want to see the install on that, it's the same process. But if you guys want to see the video, just leave a comment and I'll do it. You know, anything else that you guys want me to do, I'll do it. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.